Alrighty, welcome. So today we're going to be looking at logarithms. Now I think some people get the idea that a logarithm is a really scary thing. However, in the end, it is just another tool in our belt. If I have something like a to the x equals b, well, sometimes I want to find x. And if I don't have logarithms, the only way I can find x is by guessing and checking. So basically, what do we want? We want an inverse to move a from one side of the equation to the other. That's the goal. And that's exactly what a logarithm does. It says, well, if you've got a to the x equals b, well, the log a of a to the x, well, that will cancel the base a with just x on the left-hand side. And so we can rewrite this as log a of b. Now, notationally we call this the base of the logarithm, and it basically tells us what number we're counting. So let's have a look at some numerical examples to get a better feel of how it looks. Alrighty. So we have 1000 equals log 10 to the 3, sorry. So let's take log base 10 of both sides, so log base 10 of 1000. And like I said above, what this does is it cancels with this. And so on the left-hand side, we're left with log 10 of 1000 is equal to 3. So what's that saying? What's saying if you're counting in 10 to the 1, 10 to the 2, 10 to the 3, what x do you need to put there so that you get 1000? And the answer is you need to put 10 to the 3. Let's have a look at another one. This one's slightly more complicated because we're dealing with negative indices. So we've got 1 over 25 is equal to 5 to the negative 2. Alrighty, well for this one, we're going to be taking the log base 5. So the log base 5 of 1 over 25, well that's equal to log base 5 of 5 to the negative 2. That cancels the base on the left, and so we're left that the log base 5 of 1 over 25 is equal to negative 2. Which makes sense, because reminder, this is equal to 1 on 5 squared, which is 1 on 25. So we're not making things up here. Alrighty, let's have a look at the last one. Now this one probably looks like the least realistic, but let's just check that it is real. So 9 to the half, well, should really be the square root of 9 to the 1, which is just the square root of 9, which is 3. So it does work out. So this is true. So now let's take the log base 3 of both sides. Oh, let's actually take log base 9 of both sides. And that means when counting as 9 as our base, well, we need a half. Because remember, the log 9 is going to cancel with the 9 over here. And then we're all set up. So that's how we use logarithms. See you in the next one. Goodbye.